Oh,
for me. Yeah, yeah.
okay, ndabakunda muri beza cyane. Ala, ah, I meet with English, but I'm not
Okay,
good.
sing more,
I'm
sing
not
more.
good. Oh man, kanze naribi. Yeah. Hello, hello, brother.
Hello, brother.
Good evening. Sorry. I was on the phone.
Okay, so how are you?
Fine. My name is Mercy. Mercy.
Mercy. So where are you from?
Yeah. I'm from Rwanda.
Uganda.
Rwanda.
It's Rwanda.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it beside Uganda?
Yeah. It's beside Uganda, Tanzania, DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo.
Okay.
Yeah. You from Bangladesh? I mean, is it correct?
Yeah. I'm from Bangladesh. So do you know Bangladesh?
Oh, I see the flag. This episode, I meet with many people from Bangladesh. So,
Okay. So do you know one thing that Rwanda and Uganda is really famous and popular country all over the world?
really?
Yeah.
Ah, no.
Knows.
How do you know about Rwanda?
Sometimes on social media people are making some
Funny things.
I don't know why, because you are our brothers and we love you, we have bloodical connection, so that's why I think it can be the another reason.
Yeah, okay. So, is your motherland Bangladesh
Sorry.
or you live, is your motherland? I mean,
Yeah,
is
yeah,
where you born?
yeah. I'm Bangladeshi. I born in this country and I live here. So what about you? Are you living in Rwanda or another country?
Oh, I'm living now in Rwanda, but my motherland or where I born is DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo.
Okay, so what do you do?
Currently employed now. I work in the field with farmers, improving their skills about cultivating, agriculture, something like that.
Okay.
So, how about you?
Yeah, I have just completed my masters. I'm working now. Yeah, so brother, I'm really eager to listen your any of your songs. So can you sing something from your mother tongue?
Oh,
For me? Yeah.
okay, ndabakunda muri beza cyane. Ala, ah, I meet with English, but I'm not
Okay,
good.
sing more,
I'm
sing
not
more.
good to sing. I'm not good to sing.
More, a few lines more. So which language it is?
Is Kinyarwanda. Is Kinyarwanda.
Oh my, I can't pronounce this one. It's very hard to.
I know it. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, the time is up.
Okay, bye bye.
Nice to meet you,
Love you,
brother.
love you,
Nice to
love you
meet you.
meeting